For top-notch window installation and entry door installation in Gilbert, look no further than our expert window contractors. Our window companies in Gilbert specialize in energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, vinyl windows, and entry doors. Gilbert, ensuring your home is both stylish and sustainable. With our custom windows and window solutions, you can enhance your home's aesthetic while improving energy efficiency. Our window experts in Gilbert provide comprehensive window consultation and window estimates to help you make informed decisions. Window installation services in Gilbert are essential for maintaining the integrity of your home. Our team excels in window glass replacement, window frame installation, and window sealing to ensure your windows are in perfect condition. We also offer window caulking and window hardware services to enhance the functionality and longevity of your windows. For those looking to upgrade, our window upgrades and window styles in Gilbert, along with entry doors. Gilbert, offer a variety of options to suit your taste and needs. Window insulation and window maintenance are crucial for keeping your home comfortable year-round. Our window services in Gilbert include window tinting and window screens to protect your home from harsh sunlight and improve privacy. With our window measurements and custom solutions, you can achieve the perfect fit and finish for your windows. Trust our window contractors in Gilbert for exceptional results with both windows and entry doors. Gilbert. Residential window replacement in Gilbert is made easy with our professional window companies. We provide a wide range of window styles and custom windows to match your home's unique character. Our window consultation and window estimates ensure you receive the best value for your investment. Whether you need window glass replacement, window frame installation, or entry doors. Gilbert, our window experts in Gilbert are here to help. Enhance your home's curb appeal with our entry door installation services in Gilbert. Our team specializes in energy-efficient windows and double-pane windows to complement your new entry doors. Gilbert. With our vinyl windows and custom solutions, you can achieve a cohesive look that enhances your home's exterior. Our window installation services in Gilbert ensure your windows and doors are always in top condition. For reliable window solutions in Gilbert, our window contractors offer a comprehensive range of services. From window sealing and window caulking to window hardware and window screens, we have everything you need to maintain your windows. Our window tinting and window insulation services provide added comfort and energy savings. Trust our window experts in Gilbert for all your window maintenance, upgrade needs, and entry doors. Gilbert. Window installation is a crucial service for homeowners in Gilbert seeking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, vinyl windows, and entry doors. Gilbert, residents can significantly reduce their energy bills while improving comfort. Window installation. Gilbert experts provide comprehensive solutions tailored to meet the unique needs of each home, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Energy-efficient windows in Gilbert are a popular choice for those looking to minimize their carbon footprint and save on utility costs. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, reducing heat transfer and maintaining a consistent indoor temperature. By choosing energy-efficient windows. Gilbert and complementing them with entry doors. Gilbert, homeowners can enjoy a more sustainable and cost-effective living environment. Double-pane windows. Gilbert offer enhanced insulation and noise reduction, making them an ideal choice for homes in busy areas. These windows consist of 2 layers of glass with a space in between, which acts as a barrier to heat and sound. Double-pane windows. Gilbert, paired with durable entry doors. Gilbert, are a smart investment for those seeking to improve their home's comfort and energy efficiency. Vinyl windows. Gilbert are known for their durability, low maintenance, and affordability. These windows are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, making them a long-lasting option for homeowners. Vinyl windows. Gilbert are available in a variety of styles and colors, allowing residents to customize their home's appearance while enjoying the benefits of modern window technology. Pairing them with entry doors. Gilbert provides a complete exterior upgrade. Custom windows. Gilbert provide homeowners with the opportunity to create a unique look for their property. Whether it's a specific shape, size, or design, custom windows Gilbert can be tailored to fit any architectural style. This personalized approach ensures that each window complements the overall aesthetic of the home while providing the desired functionality. Adding entry doors Gilbert enhances the look even further, delivering a cohesive design. Window installation services Gilbert are essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your windows. From window glass replacement Gilbert to window frame installation Gilbert, skilled professionals can address a wide range of issues to restore your windows to their original condition. Regular window maintenance Gilbert and upgrades with entry doors Gilbert can prevent costly installations and extend the lifespan of your windows and doors. Window sealing Gilbert and window caulking Gilbert are critical components of window maintenance. Proper sealing and caulking prevent air and water leaks, enhancing the energy efficiency of your home. By investing in window sealing Gilbert, window caulking Gilbert, and quality entry doors Gilbert, homeowners can protect their property from the elements and reduce energy costs. Window hardware Gilbert plays a vital role in the functionality and security of your windows. From locks and latches to hinges and handles, quality window hardware Gilbert ensures smooth operation and peace of mind. Upgrading your window hardware along with entry doors Gilbert can enhance both the safety and convenience of your home. Window screens Gilbert are an essential addition to any home, providing protection from insects while allowing fresh air to circulate. High-quality window screens Gilbert are durable and easy to maintain, offering a practical solution for enjoying the outdoors without the hassle of bugs. Combine them with entry doors Gilbert to maximize ventilation and comfort. Window tinting Gilbert is an effective way to reduce glare and UV exposure, protecting your home's interior from fading and damage. Window tinting Gilbert can also enhance privacy and security, making it a popular choice for homeowners. When paired with entry doors Gilbert, these solutions provide complete protection and style for your home.